How about you were too old to go into those clubs on board the cruise ships? You're just too old for that. Stop going. You're not wanted. Sitting with strangers in the main dining room. Don't want that anymore. And cheating during trivia. That needs to stop. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are back again with another week of what every cruiser wants, where we give you real comments that if people have written in, letting you know how you want to cruise and what needs to be changed on cruise lines, because it's what everybody wants. All right, let's jump right in with our first comment, and where we're going to talk about people are too old to go inside some of the clubs. People are too old and shouldn't be there. That when it reaches a certain time of night, people that are above a certain age just need to get out. But let's take a look at this comment. Me and my cousins are in our 20s. Conquest nightclub was the worst. Older people demanding the DJ play blank music. It ruined the vibe for all of us. After 11 p.m., everyone over 30 cannot be allowed in the club. They have other bars to go to. People over 30 would never go to clubs in Boca. They would be laughed at and would not be allowed to get in. There should be a place for young people only and not have their evening crushed by having to listen to blank music. Plus, they stare at us when we have fun. Seeing old people in the club stops young people from going in and buying drinks. Would you go into the club, John Heel? No. So? Entitled much, maybe? I don't know. Picking a vacation where the demographic is generally going to be an older crowd versus a younger crowd, and then thinking that everybody over the age of 30 must leave the club at a certain time, so only you can have a good time. How about a whole bunch of that's not going to happen anytime soon on any cruise ship that I'm aware of? But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Should people over the age of 30, and I'm wondering when did that become the old crowd, but should they have to get out of certain venues at certain times to suit just a certain age group? You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But I find this laughable, and good luck getting us cruisers out of any club that we want to be in while we're on board ship. All right, the main dining room. There's always comments about the main dining room, whether it's noise, whether it's crew members dancing, whether it's the food, whether it's tablecloths. Well, this week we have another comment about the main dining room, and this time it's about sitting with strangers. I'm sure if you've ever eaten in the main dining room, you know you can get a table that's just you, your family, your significant other, or you could be placed at a table with several other people that, you don't know before you go in there and sit down and eat. But to me, it's a great opportunity. Meet some new people, make some new friends. Now, I know it's not for everybody, but according to this person, it's for nobody, and nobody likes it. You have passed your time, John. Face it. You are living in the past. You should be retired and pensioned off. How can you tell Stella that you like assigned seating and then talk about the olden days of cruising? I hope Carnival has learned its lesson. The continuation of forcing people to sit down with strangers is senile, just as you and your answers were. Would you do this in a restaurant? We've only on occasion with impolite people, and fortunately it was a one-time experience at lunch. We were seated at a table already occupied by two other couples. We introduced ourselves, and they continued their conversation, never acknowledging we had arrived. Build new ships with tables for 2, 4, and 6, and perhaps 8, but more smaller tables for private dining. Nobody wants to be in crowds of strangers, especially now. Time to go, John, and time for Carnival to live in the now. So should the tradition of going to the main dining room and being seated at a large table with perhaps other people that you don't know, to meet new friends, to have new conversations, has that time passed? Do cruisers only want private tables so they don't have to interact with anybody else? Now, I can say for me, Tiffany and I usually try to get a table that's just us, but not because we don't want to sit with strangers, not because I don't want to talk to people, but you know me, I'm filming something, taking pictures of stuff, and I would think that would be a little rude for me to do at a table with lots of other people. It's like, hey guys, can y'all be quiet? I need to do some filming. I need to take some pictures of food. This different stuff that I do on a cruise for this channel is a little more polite for me to do at a smaller table than it is at a table full of a bunch of other people. That is the only reason I choose that versus the other table. Now, if I'm not doing any of that, I'm fine with sitting at a table with other people. That's how I meet other people. And I understand it's not for everybody. People do want their private tables. I get it. Maybe more private tables is the good way to go. Maybe that is the right answer. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Because like I said, according to this, nobody wants to sit at the tables with strangers anymore. That tradition has died and is gone. All right. And finally, cheating during trivia. I've seen these stories before, and I've been in these trivia sessions before, and I feel like it happens. I feel like people are cheating, have cheated. But at the same time, I'm just there to have fun. It's just really a matter of what I know, my knowledge, kind of competing against myself. But I could see how too many people in there cheating, pretending they're cheating, acting like they're cheating, whatever the case may be, or at least the impression of cheating, can kind of put people off from the trivia a little bit. But let's take a look at this comment, that way you guys can let me know what you think. DH and I will be on the cruise to Sydney. We are both serious trivia players. I hope the cruise staff running the trivia will ban anyone if caught cheating. Seems like bringing resources or doing Google searches to win a trivia game is rampant on every cruise. With so many days at sea, whoever is running the game should disqualify them for all future events. We should not lose a chance of winning the trinkets and prizes because of cheaters. So I guess the first question on this would be, have you guys been in the trivia games, and do you think people have cheated or feel that people are cheating when they're playing these games? Is this actually a problem on board the ships, or is that just the impression that these folks have? And if cheaters are cheating and are caught, should they be banned and disqualified from all future events while on board that cruise? You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Personally, I'm just there to have some fun. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Sometimes I feel like there might have been some cheating going on, nothing I could prove or really gave a whole lot of thought about after the event anyway. But again, you guys tell me what y'all think. Is there a problem with cheating during trivia games? And that's going to be our video for this week, with all of our comments from what every cruiser wants. I said again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these particular topics, these particular subjects. Are they actually speaking for everyone out there, or is it only in their own minds? Again, you guys let me know. All right, I hope everyone has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone has themselves a really great weekend, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.